These are my two cute birds, Twit and Die. They have a little routine. Every morning we take them out on the porch and we open the cage. Like that, their cage is their home. They actually enjoy being in their cage. At night it's easy. I just take my finger and they come out. They go right into the cage. It's okay. That's Die. And it's very fascinating. See, she flies here and there into the windowsill, back to the cage. See, Die's gray. She's got a more gray color. Since Twit, right over here. Oh! They protect themselves, eh? If you notice, Die's always Twit. And see how Twit is a lighter color, more beautiful color? That's the male. These are budgies, also known as parakeets. Get them used to being on your finger. But when they're two like that, a pair, they don't like not being together, and it's hard to get them used to being on your finger. I could spend more time than what I do doing this. There we go. Hey Twit. Hello Twit. See how Twit has, like I said, lighter colors? And if you look closely, the tip of her nose is like a bluish purple. His nose, I should say. The purplish color, that's a male. Now I'll try to get Twit. See, Twit has more of a pink color.